Oh, what's up, guys? This is Gangstar Vegas by Ozel and Samir. Now we are going to stop, guys. Stop, guys. I am disturbing the police. I like this thing. I will throw that all police in the water. I hate police in this game. Come, want you. I want you, police. Oh, what the trick was that? So, guys, where is the place? Where? Yeah, I got this place. Oh my God, this is not that one. That one place. So, guys, I want that one place. I know. I remember one place of water. Sorry. I want to go on the bicycle. Guys, it's not working. Yeah, not working. Guys, I'm going from the bicycle. Okay. Where is the helicopter? I don't know the helicopter. Go. Where are the police? Come. I am danger. Police, come. Police is not coming back. It is stuck. The police is not. It is idiot. Hey, come back. Like you to die. Oh, he's shooting on me. I want to kill him. His car. Guys, his car is destroying. And 3, 2, and 1. Why? Yes. So, guys, I want to show you one trick. That, see, not this. Okay, on reverse. Guys, I'm going back and I'm shooting the bikes. See, it is not touching the foot on the land. Now I will. Oh my God, what happened? Oh, this one police. I know about this color police. It is danger. Just joking. Come with me, bro. How are you? What you want? Oh, cho. Guys, there's not that much time. Come, police, with me. I like to. Oh, guys, did you see that? It was too much amazing. Come with me, bro. I like it to die you. No. Oh my God, what the heck is this? Why did the helicopter come? Oh my God, why did the helicopter come? Oh, 4-star. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, this is one good thing to go to the desert. No, not desert. Airport. I have to go to airport. Oh, airport is too much far from me. Oh, police is finishing. No finish. What the heck police want? Much time the police. Oh my God, what have to I do now? See the taxi. Police locked the place of taxi. Oh, there's no one. The jeep is only, there's no one, but the color of the jeep is too much good. So guys, we are going to do the mission. Guys, we are here and now. Where is the sport mission? I like this mission of sport. Where? Not this. This is a bike or the car. Bro, what is this one? This. Oh, this one. I didn't do this one. Oh, the special is the tank. In my other ID, I have take this all thing, but the mobile was broke. I broke because the mobile fell down from me and No, sorry. No. It did it for me. Okay, now, guys. What? Not this tunnel. It was not this tunnel. I think this is upgrade. That's why. Guys, this one car is too much faster than this. My God, guys, I'm too much excited about this. What is this? Guys, about this is upgraded. Before this was, no, this mission was here. So, guys, again, I don't like this color. I like this. No. Guys, this one color is cool. This car is of, I think, the Red Bull. You know Red Bull? Let's start it. Yes, I'm just going to finish it. Guys, this car is too much fast. We can't try it too much here in this mission because it is destroying too much. Oh my God! What happened to my car? What the heck he want? Guys, my brother finished all the gems yesterday. I don't know what he do on the gems. Yeah, guys, I hate him. What he do on the gem? I have collect many gems, but he destroy all the gems. Guys, we are going to the train. Guys, what happened to police? I didn't tell them something. I was going on my way. Guys, we can't go on this. We should take the bike first. Sorry, I love you. I'm just joking. So guys, now there are not that much time because I am going to do something. I know all the golf car can go in this, but the bicycle, the small car can go. Guys, you can see the train here, and what is this? Okay, guys, we are going to other stop. Guys, you see the train, but this place is too much difficult. We should go like this because we can fall down. No! Guys, I say we can fall down. This place is too much hard. Guys, I think the train is also here. Just check from here. Why? Train is not here. On the right side, no train. On the left side, here is the train. Guys, I like to show you one trick. I think I have shown you that trick on one video. Guys, I want to show you the trick. That was my uncle wife that he was angry to me that my brother beat my cousin. That's why she come and angry to my cousin. No, sorry, brother. Guys, I have seen many videos and I have played that people are in the bike and here. I know how to go. It's easy, but I forget the way. Yeah, guys, this one is the place now. I should try it. Guys, I can't try. Guys, I want to show you something before the game Gangstar will update. Here was the one invisible wall. Those guys who has Gangstar from the ears, they know there was invisible wall. When Gangstar is upgrade, no, the wall is not here. I think they have now, guys. Oh, what the heck is this? Okay, guys. Now we are doing that trick. Not this one. I'm just joking about this. 3. Why are you here? 3, 2, 1. Guys, this is wheeling. We are going fast. I hope there is not anything. I hope there's not anything. Oh my god, I didn't do it. This was not good.